Good morning, students. In your last class, you have gone through exercise 6.2. In video, we had introduction for that, and PDF form solutions were given to you. I think uh, comfortably you have done all the problems. So one exercise 6.3 is left by now. So let us have the introduction for the topic. Okay, so let me write this: introduction for exercise 6.3. Students, in exercise 6.3, actually we have to learn two theorems, and these two theorems are very important for you and very useful, very fruitful. So let me write the first theorem. The first theorem is angle sum property of triangle. This theorem states that sum of three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This is known as angle sum property of the triangle. So let us write the statement here: sum of all three interior angles in a triangle is 180 degree. This we have to prove. Okay, so statement is written. As you know the steps of theorem, whenever you are going to prove any theorem, the first of all we will see what the statement is. After statement, you have to personalize the things, that is whatever written in the statement, we have to make some visuals for that. Sum of all three interior angles, okay, in a triangle is 180 degree. That is, we have to think about a triangle. So first of all, let us try to understand the steps of theorem. So first of all, you will be drawing a triangle. Okay, let us give the name of this triangle as ABC. ABC is the triangle. Is it clear? Now three interior angles are angle A, angle B and angle C. What we need to prove here is angle sum of all three interior angles. So we have three interior angles A, B, C in a triangle is 180 degree. Then we have to prove that the sum of these three angles, that is A plus B plus C, equal to 180 degree. This you have to prove. Okay. So let us write the first thing that is given there. Now you have got a triangle, a named triangle here. So you will be writing in triangle ABC, a triangle ABC. This triangle is given to you. Okay. In this triangle, what you need to prove is, so you will be writing required to prove. Required to prove is angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degree. Okay. This we have to prove. These are the steps actually. First of all, statement, then what is given and what to prove. And if needed, you will use construction. To prove that these three angles, sum of these three angles A, B and C is 180 degree, we are going to construct a line through A which is parallel to BC. We have drawn a line here give the name to this line as x and y. XY is the line which is parallel to BC. This construction we have done. So let us write this. Draw XY parallel to BC. Now we may proceed for proof. Okay. First of all, let me explain the concept which will work in proving this here. Now you have got these two lines as parallel. Okay, these two lines are parallel, and you may consider this AB as transversal. If it is not very clear to you, let us proceed this. Extend the line. You may extend this one also. Now clearly XY and BC are parallel lines, and this AB is like a transversal. So you have got this angle and this angle, angle B, and here this angle. These two angles will be equal. And why they are equal? They are equal because this line is transversal and these two lines are parallel. So these two angles are alternate interior angles. And in the beginning of this chapter, we have gone through this concept that alternate interior angles are equal. So that we will use. So if this angle B and this angle is equal, so we may write this angle to be B. Similarly, this is the transversal. XY and BC are parallel. So clearly this angle and this angle, these two angles are again interior angles, alternate interior angles. Then obviously they are equal. So we can say that this angle is C. So here at this very point A, we have got three angles. One angle A itself, another angle B, and third one angle C. So as this XY is a straight line and we have got three angles at this very point A, then by using the concept of linear pair of angles, not exactly linear pair of angles, this is the straight line, so this complete angle will be of 180 degree. By using this concept, you can say that the sum of these three angles, that is A plus B plus C, is 180 degree. So this is the concept of this theorem, how to prove it. So let us write this. XY is parallel to BC and AB is transversal. Therefore, angle this angle, we may consider this angle as XAB. Angle XAB equals angle ABC. Similarly, in short, I will write SLY. Similarly, angle YAC equals angle ACB. This angle ABC we may write as angle B and this angle as C. Now angle B plus angle A plus angle C equals 180 degree. You can write in sequence that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degree. and hence true. So this was all about this theorem. First of all, the statement. What is the statement? Sum of all three interior angles in a triangle is 180 degree. So we have taken a triangle ABC here. So let us write, given that a triangle ABC. Okay. In this triangle we need to prove the sum of three angles. Now we are having the name of these three angles. So we have put angle A plus angle B plus angle C to be 180 degree. This is given required to prove. And we have taken one construction here. And the construction is to draw a line XY which is parallel to BC. Okay. Now proof. This XY is parallel to BC. AB is the transversal. Then you can say XAB equals angle ABC. If it is not very clear, you may make it clear that alternate interior angles. Okay. Similarly, angle YAC equals angle ACB because XY and ABC are already parallel and AC is the transversal. So these two angles are again alternate interior angles. So they will be equal. The same reason may be given for this one also. Now at this very point we are having three angles and this is a straight line. Therefore the sum of these three angles must be 180 degree. 180 degree. And this is the proof of your theorem. Is it clear? Okay. Now let us have another theorem. The next theorem is based on triangle itself. So let us have this theorem. First of all, let us try to understand the concept and then we will start about the theorem. So, what is the theorem? If you choose any triangle ABC and you extend any of this side, then here we have got one angle. This angle is actually said to be exterior angle. So this angle, the value of this angle will be sum of opposite interior angles. Opposite interior means leaving this point, we are having these two angles. Okay, these two angles are opposite interior angles. The sum of these two angles will be equal to this one. This is the theorem. Say this angle is A, this is B and C, then angle A must be equal to angle B plus angle C. And easily we can prove it by using angle sum property. Look at this. You know, here we have got at this very point we are having two angles, angle A and this one. So what about this angle? The sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. If this angle is A, what about this angle? This angle will be 180 minus A. Okay. This angle is 180 minus A. And now in a triangle the sum of three interior angle is 180 degree. So if you apply the previous theorem, you will have angle B plus angle C plus 180 minus A equals 180. 180 gets cancelled, then B plus C equals A. By shifting A to the right hand side, you will get this. So this is the theorem. So let us prove it in proper manner. Okay, first of all, statement. First of all, statement. If a line, instead of line, it's better to write if a side. if a side of a triangle is extended, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. This is the statement. Is it clear? This is the statement. Already we have done everything over here. Now we will write given that. So for given that, you will draw a triangle. First of all, consider this triangle. Say ABC is the triangle. Okay. The side BC we are going to stand up to a point X. So this is extension of this BC, and here we have got exterior angle so formed is this one, and we have to prove that this exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior. So we have got two opposite interior angles. So we have to prove that this angle, that is XCA, this exterior angle is equal to sum of these two angles, angle A plus angle B. This we have to prove. Okay. So what is given here? Triangle ABC. BC is extended. Up to X. Then the next step is to write required to prove. What is required to prove? Angle ACX is equal to angle ABC. ABC means angle B plus angle BAC. BAC means angle A. This we have to prove. Okay. Now let us have the proof. Let us have the proof. So first of all, look at this. Angle ACX equals 180 minus angle ACB. Angle ACB. Why? Linear pair of angles. The reason is linear pair of angles. Okay, this is linear pairs of angles. Okay. Now angle ABC, that is angle B, plus angle BAC plus angle ACB equals 180 degree. Why? Angle sum property of a triangle, that is sum of three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So you may write angle sum property. Angle sum property. Okay. Then angle ABC plus angle BAC, keeping these two in the left hand side, let us transfer this ACB to the right hand side. 180 degree. When you will transfer it, it will get subtracted, that is minus ACB. But in the beginning, what you have written? Angle 180 degree minus angle ACB is equal to ACX. Angle ACX. So to make it clear from where you are having this, let us write this 1. So you may write 1 plus angle ABC plus angle BAC equals angle ACX, and hence proved. So this is all about your theorem. Second theorem of this exercise. What is this theorem? If a side of a triangle is, this is the symbol for triangle, okay, extended, then the exterior angles so formed is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Let us make it clear once again. ABC is a triangle, BC is extended. We have got one angle here, which is exterior angle C. Now, in this triangle, let us write given that ABC, in triangle ABC, BC is extended up to X. What is to prove? ACX, that exterior angle, is equal to sum of opposite interior angles, that is ABC plus BAC. Okay. Now, proof. So first of all, we have used the concept of linear pair angles, linear pair of angles, this angle and this angle. The sum of these two will be 180 degree. So we have written ACX. ACX is 180 minus ACB. Okay, angle, linear pairs of angles. And again we are using angle sum property of triangle ABC. This is a triangle, so sum of three angles, ABC that is B, BAC that is A, ACB that is C. Sum of these three must be 180 degree. Is it clear? Let us transfer this ACB to the right hand side. This is 180 degree minus angle ACB, and here we have got 180 degree minus angle ACB to be ACX. Therefore, sum of these two angles is equal to ACX, and hence the theorem. Okay, I think it must be very clear to you all. If you face any problem, repeat the video, try to watch it again and again. Even then, if you are finding any problem, you may ask it. I will try to remove your difficulties in next video. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.